So guys, Google has just rolled out a new rule for the APK installation, or you could say side loading. And this is very weird and I don't know what they are thinking about. Let me show you what exactly it is. You are going to laugh or be infuriated in equal measures. So let me now zoom in. This is the rule which we are talking about. Okay, so first and foremost, you will have to tap on the APK file, which is quite obvious. And once you do so, then you have to tap on that no one is instructing me. You are installing the APK on your own. No one is forcing you to do so. So if you tap on yes, someone else is guiding me, then they might not be installed. So please tap on no one is instructing me. You are doing so on your own. Once you do so, you then have to restart your phone. So after tapping on no one is instructing me, you have to restart your phone for the authentication. And once you restart the phone, the best part will come now. So after that, you will now have to wait for 24 hours. Yes, to install an APK file, you have to wait for 24 hours, one entire day, and only then you can install the APK file. So when that is done, once the 24-hour time frame is over, you could then tap on continue. And finally, after that, either check mark enable this setting for the next 7 days or forever. So I will advise, well, I cannot advise you, choice is all yours, but I will always check mark forever. If you check mark for 7 days, then after 7 days, when you have to install the APK file, again you have to tap on no one is instructing me and then do a restart, then wait for 24 hours and only then you can install the APK file. So in my case, I'm going to check mark forever. Only do so if you know the APK file is safe. If you're using APK files which are not safe, in that case you may check mark for 7 days, but I will always check mark forever and then check mark I understand the risk, and then only you can install the APK file. So first off, choose that no one instructing me. After that, do a phone restart. After that, wait for 24 hours, tap on continue, and then choose the option of 7 days or forever, and then confirm this. So all these 4-5 steps are required just to install a single APK file. If you check mark choose forever, then this will not be required any other time. But if you choose for 7 days, then for the 8th day, you will again have to carry out all the steps and then wait for 24 hours and install the APK file. So it has become a total mess. I don't know why just for installing a single APK file, we have to do so all these tweaks. With that said, there is a workaround and a tweak. In my next video, I'll show you, using which you could easily bypass this 24-hour wait time and install each and every APK without any issue whatsoever. But for now, this is really strange and I am not in favor of this change, but we cannot do much apart from that workaround, which I'll show you in my next video. But for now, this is all it is. Let me know what you think of this new change of APK installation. And thank you for watching the video.